So this is odd number we are going to discuss about today's. So the definition of odd number is a number is odd if it not divisible by 2 or equivalent. Odd, let's see this. Odd, it's interesting something. Odd multiply by the whole number. If you do that till you will get even number, right? As we are going to see till now, if you multiply any number with 2 you get even number, but when you add 1 you will get odd number. Here's the example. 3. So 2 multiply 1, 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 is a odd number. 7. 2 multiply by 3 plus 1, 7. So 6 plus 1, 7, odd. Same for the 9. 2 multiply by 4, 8, plus 1 is 9, so odd. But if we don't add 1, then we have even number. 2 multiply by 2, the whole number, and we got even number 4. 2 multiply by 5, we got even number again. So if we don't add 1 plus 1, then we get even number. If we add plus 1, we get the odd number. So odd number always leave a remainder 1 when divided by 2. Now it's talking about dividing or divided, and even number divide perfectly with remainder 0. Okay, and I have like this thing which like sum of number even plus even is like, if you plus 2 will give you like 4, which is even number, and 4 plus 4 a number itself. I am telling like 2 plus like 8 8 16, and 16 16 32, which is also even number. But in odd case, when I see few numbers like 3, let's 3 is a odd number, so if you add 3 plus 3 it will give even number. Like 3 plus 3 is 6, then 6 is a even number. And like 7 plus 7, 14, and 14 is also even number. And you start looking pattern in maths, which excites to learn more about maths, and it makes maths interesting. That's what I feel. Here's some mini exercise. That's the answer, not look now. So to do and check if you got it correct. So 3 2 1. So decide if like it's a even number or odd number. So 15 divided by 2, which results 7.5, and it's not a whole number, it's giving us reminder, so it's not whole 7.5, and so this is an odd number. 15 is a odd. So 22, let's check 22 number. 22 divided by 2 gives a whole number, so this is even. 22 is even. Let's check 13. 13 divided by 2. Oh, it's giving us in a decimal point 6.5, so it's not a whole number, so this will be odd. The fourth last 28. 28 divided by 2 gives us 14, which is a whole number, so 14 is even. Or not 14, but 28 is even number, although 14 is also even number. But here's 11. 11 is odd number, right? But how you can say, oh, it's even? Why you telling it's even? Because we are not checking the result over here, we are checking the number. So for there, if divisible by any even number will be if divisible by 2 and the result will be whole numbers, then it's even, like this or this, not in a point. If it's in a point, or decimal, then not divisible by 2 if even if leaves the remainder 1. So that's the concept of odd number, and it will help us in district maths to build basic knowledge for that. And that's all for this video.